Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am CoderX and today we'll be learning how to make a calculator. So first we have to name the project as calculator. So now the next thing we need to do is start the project with when green flag clicked. But as we know, as you might not know, we need a broadcast, not a we need a broadcast, not when green flag clicked. So when green flag clicked, it will broadcast the message. So what we need next is we'll go to sensing and we'll bring an ask and we'll ask what's the first number. What is the first number? Then we'll go to variables and we'll set my variable to answer. Now we can change the my variable. Let's just delete the my variable. We'll create a new one first. We'll call it number 1 for all sprites. And we'll delete the my variable. And we'll make another variable, number 2 for all sprites. Next we'll take the set number 1, 2 and we'll bring in answer. So we'll just duplicate it and then we'll do the same thing for the second number. And we'll set number 2 to the answer. So now we need to bring in a broadcast. So we'll go to events. We'll bring a broadcast message and we'll make a new message called message 2. To tell the truth, that's not a very good broadcast, but still it'll work. So now when I receive message 2, we'll say number 1 plus number 2. So we'll go to operators. We'll select a plus. But first we need to ask which operator, because of course in a calculator there is not only plus. So we'll ask which operator and wait. So then we'll bring in an if and we'll put if answer equals, let's go to operators. Yes. If answer equals plus, then we have to broadcast a message. So first let's do it for all the operators. And I made it for them all. So the most one important thing is we need the forever block. So we'll change for the multiplication. We actually have two operators for it. One is the shift 8 and the other is the x. So we'll bring in an or, not there. Let's just take that out, and we'll put this inside it. Whoops. Yeah. And now let's just put it in. And we'll keep this as X. Oh, we already kept X. So we'll keep it as shift 8. What is that called? A star? And for division, we'll keep a slash. And we'll keep it on above the say. So now we'll duplicate the say into 4. So first thing will be when we add, so let's just put it in all of them. Now, so the first thing is add, right? So we'll make the cat say the first number plus the second number. So we'll just put the different operators in all of them. And we'll go to, and we'll just quickly put all of the numbers in it. Remember, in the subtraction and the division, number 1 should be first, because number 1 will be the minuend and the dividend. So it asks what's the first number. So we kept 6. Now as the second number we can keep, let's see, how about 5? No, 4. Yeah, now we'll keep the plus operator. No, let's keep the multiply operator, yeah. Okay. So now let's see it. It's very easy, but I'm still going to check it out. So 6 into 4. If you click on it, we'll get 24. Let's see what the answer here is. And it's 24. So our project runs smoothly. You can keep the cat anywhere you like. You can change the background, your wish. Now just throw away that 6 into 4. Now we'll just turn off the number of variables. Now so we're just going to put, so without the variables it works. 6 plus 5 equals 11. So let's just change the backdrop. We can fill any color, but first let's do something important. Let's see. So remember why we hit the broadcast instead of the green flag? That's to restart the project again. So we'll just keep a broadcast message 1 at the end of each operator, and let's see how that goes. So we'll just we could put a broadcast message 1 there, but it would not work smoothly. So we have to keep it all in all the operators. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's just check how it works for the broadcast if we put the broadcast there. So we'll restart the project. If you see that this project runs forever, so there's probably no end. So we'll bring in a stop this script. We'll bring in a stop all, and we'll select this script. Now we cannot put it at the bottom of all. So we're going to put the broadcast below each operator, and we're going to put a stop this script below each operator. But first we have to broadcast message 1, and we'll remove that. So what's the first number? First we need to keep stop the script too. Now we, instead of keeping a say, we can just keep say hello or say number 1 plus number 2 for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, instead of keeping the say forever. That works much better. Because if you saw the project, it was still saying that number while the question came. Whoops, I think I just I threw away the broadcast. So I'll just bring that back, duplicate, and I'll bring it back. And I'll just remove the say hello. So I'll just do this to all. Bring in a say hello for 5 seconds. Now to make this easier and not keep on keeping 5 seconds, 5 seconds, you could see this number here, right? If you change it here, it'll always come as 5. So we are done. Now the only thing we have left, let's just test it out once. What is the first number? Let's say 4. We'll keep the second number as 2. We'll keep the operator as plus 6. Good. Now that it'll ask the question again in 5 seconds. Oh no, it's still saying it. The reason this is happening is because of this forever. This project will never stop running. So we need to stop this script at the end of each if. So let's go get some. If you keep 4, and now we have the question, what is the first number? Okay, I think it keeps on asking the same question. So what we need is a stop the script there. So we'll go, but it has to be after the broadcast. Now go select stop and stop all and select stop this script instead. So we'll just keep put an end to these. We'll keep it at the end of each if. We'll throw away that broadcast, no need for it. And that's it. Let's test it out. What is the first number? 5. What's the second number? 2. Which operator? Plus 12. No, I think I kept a 7, not a 2. Yeah. Now it asks it again. So 6, 7, add. Oh, I think it was a multiply. Yeah, it's 42. So that's the end. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. We also have another set of videos for the Flappy Bird game. I'll be uploading videos around twice per 2 weeks, and I'll see you next week then. Bye.